The Tulipani Italiani in Arese, near Milan, is a large U-pick tulip garden, the first and largest of its kind in Italy, where visitors can wander through fields of 660,000 tulips in 450 varieties and pick their own blooms. You don't have to go to Holland to admire huge expanses of tulips. A stone's throw from Milan, there is a field where you can pick the beautiful flowers, walk among the colors and capture the moment with a selfie or a panoramic photo. His name is Tulipani Italiani and he was created by a Dutch couple in Arese. Whether you're a flower lover, photographer or just looking for a peaceful springtime escape, this tulip garden offers a unique and unforgettable experience. You can visit it from mid-March and throughout the period of the flowering of the tulips to enjoy a walk in the garden inside the grown park, not far from the village Valera. Edwin Koeman and Nitsuhe Volanius, the founders, created here the first and largest Italian U-pick field. You choose which flowers to collect to create your deck. You can choose from almost 500,000 tulips of 450 varieties grown on a 2-hectare field. The entrance ticket entitles you to 2 tulips, but you can also create a more important deck, paying them separately. The show garden section shows a variety of tulips with a sign to learn how to recognize them. Here are there for the entire field, organized in rows as in Holland. There are installations that create the perfect photographic set for a souvenir shot. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel and nature adventures.